Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Getting Gains. So in today's video, I'm going to explain you how you can create a Quotex affiliate account. So first you need to search Quotex Affiliate Center in your browser, in whatever browser you are using. So after searching, you have to click on the first link that appears. So as soon as I click on the link, there is a button which is present in the top right hand side corner which says sign in. So in your case, it would be, create an account. So in my case, it's sign in because I've already created my account by registering my email ID and password. So as soon as I click on sign in button, I just directly log into my account. So in your case, you have to first register your email ID, then enter your password, and then you can log into your account. So in today's video, I'm going to briefly explain you how you can earn money from Quotex account or from Quotex affiliate account, right? So first, we are going to navigate through affiliate programs. So Quotex affiliate basically consists of two major models, which are revenue share model and second one is turnover share model. So if I talk about revenue share model, you can go through it by reading it. But simply, if I want to conclude, how you can earn more amount of money. So it totally depends upon the total number of deposit that user which have created the Codex account from using your link. You know, it totally depends upon the total number of deposits, right? So, for example, if the total number of deposit per month is between 0 to 14, the affiliate commission would be 50%. So you can earn 50%, right? And it gradually increases as the total number of deposit per month get increased. So the highest you can earn is 80% when your total deposit is 700 or more. The second model is turnover share model. So basically, in turnover share model, you can earn from 2% to 5%. And it also depends upon how many number of total deposits are there per month, right? So affiliate commission in turnover share model work, such as, for example, if there is a user who have generated a turnover of $1,000 per in a month, so from that user you can generate 20% $20 as commission, right? And it also increases as the total number of deposit per month get increased. So the highest you can earn is 5%. You can also earn based on the bonus amount that Cotex gives you. So basically, there is a bonus code which user need to apply when they are depositing. So for example, if a user is depositing $100 and uses a bonus code of 30%, so he will get credit of $30 into his or her Cotex account. So the total number of bonus that your user uses, there is a formula given over here that how the commission is calculated based on the bonus amount. So there is something which I need to mention specially is that there is something called as FTD, right? So for example, as you can see in my dashboard, I have balance of 17.53, but if I click on the go to withdrawal, I cannot withdraw this money until and unless you know the traders which have created account using my link have deposited for at least 10 times, and 10 FTD means basically first time deposit. So I need 10 unique traders which have deposited for the first time. So for from this I will fulfill the criteria of 10 FTD, right? So until and unless your 10 FTD criteria is not met, you cannot withdraw, and the amount that is generated from the commission will be accumulated in your account. So it is very much important that the withdrawal would be available when your traders make 10 FTD. Until that moment, the commission will get accumulated. So you don't have to worry about the commission, right? And about the support system, so you can basically click on new request and enter any query or any problem that you are facing, and Codex will definitely help you throughout and try to resolve your query as soon as possible. So there is something called as Telegram bot also. So it helps you to, check the user's history for basically. So basically, when you, click on link account, it will link your Codex affiliate account with the Telegram, and basically by just entering users trader ID who have created his or her account by using your link, you will come to know uh, it about his or her total number of deposits, whether he is in profit or loss, the total number of the total withdrawal amount, etc., etc. Right? So last, I want to talk about the link. So basically, you can customize link based on the model that you want, that you are comfortable with. So for example, I'm comfortable with turnover share model. So I have created a link using the turnover sharing model, right? So you can also create a link using revenue share model. Basically depends upon you. If you're comfortable with the revenue share model, you can definitely go with it. I feel turnover share model suits me, or it's easy for me to understand. So basically I've created a link using turnover share model. Lastly, I would like to say that you know thank you for watching my video, and a genuine thank you for all the people who have stayed until here.